All right, check it. I'm back on it, man. Right now, I messed up my, like I told y'all before in one of my previous videos, I messed up my dashboard. So going back over it, wet sanding with 600 to get this, get this stuff right here out of it. You know how it is, man. We out here, we doing it. A little wet sand, a little bucket of water, got the hose out here. We gonna get it done. So like I said, this stuff here, all this stuff up here, we gonna knock that out. So far, we already got all this sanded down. I'm hitting the sections, all that right there. We're gonna knock all that down, get it down nice and even and smooth. Get it done today while it's hot outside right now. Let it cool off, take me a break. Let it cool off, and then we're gonna, tonight, I'm gonna shoot this in the same color copper, and I'm gonna shoot my air breather cans in a little bit of copper. I'll hit the video later. I'm gonna try to merge these videos together, make it one video. Having some problems with my storage on my phone, but we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna make it do with it, like Ray say, I make it do with it, do they? All right, y'all, first coat down. That's what my breathers look like. That's just the first coat. Got it laid down. Got to hit that one over there. It got some overspray on it, but man, the bugs are already landed in this stuff, so I'm gonna have to clean it off. Little bugs there. Man, so we hitting about to go mix up some more. While I'm mixing this up, this should be setting so I can put another coat on, maybe one or two more coats back on here, and we're gonna call it a night. Actually, I'm gonna do that other canister down there, the one that's not painted. I gotta find somewhere safe to sit this one at. I might be able to sit it outside. Sit this one down so I can put this one up there, and then I'll bring both of them in and set them up on a table tonight so they can kind of air dry tonight, and then first thing tomorrow morning I'm gonna get up and move them outside so that the sun can hit them. But again, like I said, like, subscribe, and share. Be an inspiration to somebody. Peace. All right, y'all. Last coat, put about 3 coats on it. This one here, man, as I was spraying it, bugs were just landing on it. So, I mean, being as though this one fresh right there, being as though this is single stage, I'm not sure how I'm probably gonna have to probably wet sand and have it polished out. But so far so good, man. It's looking like everything is setting and itemizing pretty good. We'll see in the morning. So I'm gonna let it rest, let everything rest here for the morning. Yeah, look on the back there, some bugs right there. So I'm gonna let everything rest here in the morning. I'll be out here in the morning to set it out in the sun. We'll see what happens. Peace. Hey, what's going on, party people? It's 12:20 here in Texas, and out here in Pearland. I just got done. Excuse me. Like you said in the last video that I'm merged in, just got done with the 3rd coat on, but I still got probably like a half of a bottle or so of still paint left. So what I'm gonna do is I came here, let my headlight charge up real quick, and while it's doing that, the paint is kind of drying and tacking up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray as many coats as I can until I can use up all the stuff, because I don't want to waste it, man. I done already wasted a couple things of it, so I ain't got time. I'm not gonna keep wasting paint. Oh shoot. So as of right now, like I said, we're gonna go back out here, we're gonna finish it, and I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, go to bed, turn in, take a shower, get up in the morning about probably about 7 o'clock or so. That way when the sun is coming up, I can set everything outside, let the sun kind of hit it and dry it out a little bit more all day, let the sun kind of bake on it all day tomorrow, and we're gonna see what it is, man. Hopefully these bugs don't be too bad. I wound up scoring some lights on Facebook Marketplace, some like surgical field lights. and they real bright, so they attract a lot. You know, of course, the light's gonna attract the bugs, and then the jokers is landing on my stuff. So, man, but that's the nature of the beast. You know what I'm saying? Is when you're doing your job, you're doing a paint job, and essentially it's outside without a completely secured booth. So, you know, it's in that tent. I zip it down when I'm painting, you know, and have the other side open so the paint can, you know, some air can get in there and it's ventilated, but you can't stop them bugs. We all know how mosquitoes and little gnats and everything else, man, they get in some of the most inopportune spots. So it is what it is, man. But so far, I'm real happy with the way the paint is looking. You know, for a person that's never painted before, I appreciate it. Shout out to Paint Society here. Follow them on Instagram. The guy there, man, he's been corresponding with me back and forth on IG and the DM and telling me everything I need to know, give me little pointers. Oh man, what's the brother name? Grind. I know his IG is man, it's Grind something. I know if I look on my IG, but it's a brother out of I think he's up in Ohio, if I'm not, or Indiana. And he does phenomenal paint jobs, painting like old schools and restoring old schools for guys and stuff. Same thing. He gave me some pointers as well. But really, Paint Society has been really consistent. And if I hit him up, man, within a day or sometimes that within a few minutes, boom, he right back on it and give me some pointers. So between him, my buddy Dave Yancey, aka Slowpoke on the CB, that's his handle. My man, he's a painter, so he's giving me pointers. So everybody's been giving me pointers on and been helping me out. So although I'm doing the work myself, I'm not doing it by myself because I got people that's in my corner. I got mentors in the painting game. I got mentors on the mechanic side of trucking game. So, you know, I got a lot of help from a lot of people that's really helping me out with this thing. So this is going to be the last video. I probably won't shoot another one to show y'all the last. Because when I get done, I got to clean all my equipment, clean the guns, clean all that stuff, and I'm going to bed after that. So it'll probably be about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning by the time I get done. And I'm probably not going to feel like video. So this is going to be the last video of the night. As always, as I've always said, can y'all please do me a favor? Bang on that like button. Share the video. Drop a comment. It'd be greatly appreciated. Thank y'all. Catch y'all on the Flip and Flop.